Homeopathic remedies also control the chakra system through tachyon energy. However, this system does not have to involve the stomach. The herbs and chemical substances are diluted and succussed until only an energy pattern is left. The physical substance of the homeopathic remedy is nothing more than a wave signature. When this tachyon energy field in the form of a remedy is placed under the tongue, it affects the throat chakra in such a way as to send its vibrational field to the third eye or pineal gland and hypothalamus. In this method, the physical body is controlled to respond with a desired effect. Herbs, drugs and homeopathic remedies can affect the body immediately if placed under the tongue. Most people think that only the homeopathic remedies work in this fashion. Actually, when a person is having a muscle spasm, they can hold an antispasmodic herb or some calcium under the tongue and it may relieve the spasm. This only happens if the spasm is due to the lack of those minerals used. The cause of the problem needs to be addressed if the symptoms are to disappear. Energy devices can operate in the same manner on the physical body. Energy devices can broadcast sine waves, wave signatures, colour or sound into the physical body in such a way as to control the functioning in an alchemical manner. For example, when a child has a fever, his auric field is full of hydrogen. A psychic may view this as a red aura. The colour blue can be transmitted into the auric field, which then stimulates oxygen to combine with the hydrogen, and the person breaks out into a sweat, thus reducing the temperature of the body. In this method, a true psychic can do absentee healing by simply visualizing the proper colour, sound or wave signature to bring about the healing process. We believe it was in this fashion that Jesus Christ was able to heal. He had complete control of the tachyon energy fields. These particles only desire to serve. When one can control them with the mind, there is no problem with the healing process. Individuals could heal at a distance, grow body parts back and feel no pain. This is the process of true alchemy. Unfortunately, science has not allowed itself to understand the process of tachyon energy. If it had, we would have developed the devices of Tesla, Reich, Dinscher, Rife and Lakowski. Today we would have a tachyon machine that would balance the auric field and there would be no more disease on the planet. A person could stand in front of this device, have it analyse the wave signatures that are out of balance, beam the correct energy fields through sound and colour and balance the entire physical body. The law of alchemy is change the energy and you change the manifestation of the mass. Science should begin to realise that tachyon energy fields are controlled by mind energy. Individuals should realise that any of the external signatures will be of a limited, temporary benefit without a corresponding shift in consciousness. It has been recorded that in cases of instant psychic healings, the symptoms return in about 3 months, unless the person chooses to change their thinking or belief concepts about the diseased area of the body. It is through connecting with our Creator that we can heal our bodies so as to become multidimensional. But first we should understand this process. That is why we must see the whole picture of how energy, mind, drugs, herbs and homeopathic remedies work in the body to bring about healing. This is how we take conscious responsibility through our thoughts, actions and words.